Let's just be honest. Cruise cabins are small, crowded, and cramped. But after countless cruises, we figured out the best ways to maximize that cruise cabin space and make your cabin feel like a home away from home. Today for Travel Tip Tuesday, I'm sharing 6 game-changing tips to help you transform your cruise cabin experience. These aren't just random tips. These are the exact strategies that we have used cruise after cruise after cruise to make sure we don't feel cramped and crowded on our vacations. And the best part, they are all super simple and easy to pack items to help you out. So let's talk about it. First off, let me give you my #1 rule for cruising. Always, always, always empty your suitcases as soon as you get them. Unpack those bags, y'all. I know you are eager to explore the ship and get to sail away and all the cruise things, but the faster you can get those items out of your suitcases, the better. Unpack immediately. Hang up your long dresses and your formal wear in your closet. Place your t-shirts, your underwear, socks, and things like that in drawers. Use your closet space. And here's a tip that not everybody knows. If you need more hangers, you can always just ask for them. Your room steward can likely bring you some because most of the time they do have extras. Utilize the floor space in your closet as well. Put your shoes down on the floor. You should have shelves in your closet. You can use that for folded items. Use every bit of space that they give you so that those items are not out in your cabin taking up space. And don't leave them in your suitcases because we're going to be putting those suitcases away. And here's why. Your cabin instantly feels bigger when you're not tripping over bags and suitcases and stuff. There's actually a perfect place to put your bags too. Underneath your bed. You can store those suitcases under your bed so they're not out in your way. And if you have larger and smaller suitcases, place those smaller ones inside the larger ones. Push them underneath your bed with the handles facing out, so if you need to get to them, you can. But keep them under your bed so they're not taking up your cabin space. Next up, something that we never travel without, a pop-up hamper. We use this to store our dirty clothes. So you don't have to worry about where am I going to put my dirty things? I need a plastic bag. I need a packing cube. No, bring a pop-up hamper. They're super small. They're thin, easy to store in your suitcase while you're on your way to your destination. And you just pop it out, pop it up, and you throw your dirty clothes in there. And if you plan on doing laundry on board, or if you plan on sending laundry off with your room steward for them to do, it's easy to keep track of what needs to go if you have that pop-up hamper. We usually find a corner to put the hamper where it's not really in full sight so that it doesn't cause more clutter. Now, if you're finding these tips helpful, make sure you click that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos, and click the notification bell as too so that you can get notified each time we have a new video coming out. And if you are interested in behind the scenes footage, firsthand knowledge of our travels, go ahead and click that join button. Become a member of the channel. We would love to have you on the Team Reese team. But even if you choose not to do that, we're just glad you're here watching. So let's get back to the video. My #3 tip is something that works very well for older ships. Bring an over-the-door shoe organizer. We bring these, we use the magnetic clicks to hang them up. Now, if you're on a newer ship, you probably don't need this as much because newer ships tend to have enough counter space, storage space, shelves to store your items. But if you're on an older ship, that space is very limited. These over-the-door shoe organizers, we don't use them for shoes, y'all. We use them to put our toiletries in. Think of your shampoos, your hairsprays, your deodorant, things that would take up space normally on a countertop. Just hang it on the door, hang it on the wall, hang it in the bathroom, wherever is best for you. And you can store those items all in one place so they're not taking up space all over your bathroom and all over your cabin. Now, since we mentioned magnetic hooks, here's something that's super cool. If you're new to cruising, you may not know, but your walls and your ceilings tend to be magnetic. So you can bring magnetic hooks and use those to hang items. We use them to hang things like sun hats, baseball caps, our lanyards, so that we can hang them right by the door and can always grab it on our way out of the door. Just makes it super simple to have somewhere to hang those items. Again, keeping them from cluttering up countertop space in your cabin. Just make sure those hooks are actually magnetic and not adhesive. You do not want to damage the walls in your cabin because you don't want to get a bill, okay? Now, if you're like me, you may be one that skips the beverage packages and brings your own drinks on board. Whether you're bringing your own bottles of wine, your own cartons of water, or your own cans of pop, Make sure that you store those items in the cooler in your room. Don't have them sitting out on the floor or on your counter space where they take up space and cause more clutter. And if you have a cooler that was already pre-stocked with items, if you don't want those items, you can just have your room steward remove them for you. They'll take them out, they'll make room in that cooler for your items so that you can store the things that you brought with you. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about those electronic cords. You know what I'm talking about. Phone chargers, camera cables, all kind of cords everywhere, all over the room. Our game-changing tip for that, Velcro hooks. Velcro hooks are an easy way to just keep those cords from being all tangled up, from being all messy. You can wrap them very easily and keep them organized so that your room looks less cluttered, your countertop space looks less cluttered, and it makes it easier to find your items too and easier to use them. These are super lightweight. They fit right in your bag. You can bring them in your carry-on or you can bring them in your luggage, and they don't take up space. They don't cause more weight. Just a very simple solution to that. These 6 tips have completely changed the way we cruise. They make things so much easier for us. It really makes it feel like our cabin is our home away from home. No more living out of a suitcase, no more scattered items all everywhere, no more having to search and dig and look for everything that we need every time we need it, and no more feeling cramped inside your cabin. If you found these tips helpful, make sure you click the subscribe button, hit the like button, and come back for more videos. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. And if you need help booking your next vacation, email booking@teamreesetravels.com or scan the little QR code that you see on your screen. We can help get you booked on your next vacation. Let's get planning so that you can cruise too. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, Team Reese all day.
Fantasy.